How's it going, guys? So here's a quick video showcasing our newest product for the chargers from 2015 and up. As long as you have the paddle shifters, which should be included in this cat packs, SRT Hellcats and up. So right over here we have paddle shifters. They're available in carbon fiber, which you can see right over here, forge, which is right here, and honeycomb. And they're pretty much compatible. Let me show you guys really quick over here with your steering wheel. Okay, so this particular car has it in forge, but we can make it in forge, so that's pretty cool, right? So we'll go right over here. So it's a full replacement. It's a full replacement, and this one it's in carbon fiber. And then we'll go right over here. But this particular build is gonna get it in forge, so we'll have a video pretty soon as well. And once again, just so you guys can see the difference, so we have it in regular carbon fiber, forged carbon, and honeycomb, which is this one right here. And the part number for the paddle shifters is vz102446. No, 2466. Either way, if I'm mistaken, I'll update it on the description. And as always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe onto your YouTube channel if you haven't already done so. And we'll see you guys next time.